The Scaly Breasted Munia or Spotted Munia is a sparrow-sized bird native to tropical Asia. This Munia species is characterized by its distinguished dark scale markings on its white underparts. The adults have a stubby dark bill, typically suited to crush small grain. Their diet also includes grass seeds, small berries, and insects. These birds are about 12 centimeters in size and can weigh 15 grams. They roost communally and sit side by side in close contact with each other. The scaly breasted munia clutches usually contain 4 to 6 eggs, but can contain up to 10. Both parents build the nest and incubate the eggs, which hatch in 10 to 16 days. The scaly breasted munia is found throughout the Indian subcontinent up to 2100 meters in the Himalayas. They occupy various habitats but prefer to be close to water and grassland. They are considered a minor pest by paddy farmers in India for feeding on the grains.